Hello mga guys, may gabi tanan mga guys. Kaya mga guys, kanta putag Ceiling mga guys no by Rod Stewart mga guys. Kumusta mga guys? Nagakanta ba tanan mga guys? Dara mga guys ay ato na katahan mga guys. Data maglangan-langan mga guys. Base mga full storage sa puta mga guys no. Mga guys, ato na ready guys. Kumusta dara tanan mga guys? Tara mga guys. I am sailing home again across the sea. I am sailing in stormy waters to be near you, to be free. I am flying like a bird across the sky. I am flying, passing high clouds to be near you, to be free. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Through the dark night, far away. I am dying, forever crying to be with you. Walk and say, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Through the dark night, far away. I am dying, forever crying to be with you. Walk and say, hello mga guys, Ceiling mga guys no, by Rod Stewart mga guys. Kumusta mga guys? Nakakanta na ba talang mga guys? Dara mga guys. Please support me mga guys. We are sailing home again across the sea. We are sailing the stormy waters to be with you, to be free. Oh Lord, to be near you, to be free. Oh Lord, to be near you, to be free. Oh Lord, to be near you, to be free. Okay mga guys no, I am sailing mga guys. At itong bagong kanta ng English mga guys no, Ceiling mga guys. Nagkakanta na ba talang mga guys? Kumusta mga guys? Juan Junior mga guys. Kumusta itong kinapuwede mga guys? Okay mga guys, karaan sa mga guys no, Ceiling by Rod Stewart. Bye mga guys. God is good all the time mga guys. All the time God is good. Bye mga guys. Juan Junior mga guys. Please subscribe my Facebook mga guys. Bye guys.